Hey everyone, and welcome back to Let's Learn SQL Server series. My name is Martin Lazarus. Today we're going to be doing part 16, exercise 1, put together what we learned. So thus far we have covered where clauses, joins, temporary tables, procedures. We've also covered as well other stuff too that we might be able to use here. So um, I'm going to give y'all a question, which is create a stored procedure that takes two parameters, ship date and order online a flag. The procedure should return the following fields: salesperson name, order date, total due, total items ordered, shipping address, and territory. Anything that has the asterisk here is just going to be mandatory. And if I scroll down, I have a little bit more. It says the solution must contain at least one temporary table and must have at least one optional parameter. So it doesn't matter which one you make optional, ship date or the order online flag, as long as you have one of those optional. Um, I'm also going to be posting up online what the solution is, but this would definitely be good practice, not only in honing in on the SQL skills, but one skill that is incredibly important is being able to dig around to locate the data that you need. So yeah, go ahead and do it, and yeah, please like my video, uh, subscribe if you like this content, leave some comments as well. Thank you.